How to fill a shape in Google Slides with an image. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'll show you how you can fill a shape with image in Google Slides very easily. So let's dive right in. Open up your Google Chrome and then head over to Google Slides. Now to insert an image, go to insert in the ribbon bar and then tap on image, and then you can choose upload from computer, stock and web, drive and photos, camera, URL, any that you want. And once you have uploaded the picture, now just tap on the picture and then you can see the crop option here. So do not tap on the crop image, tap on the drop down beside it, which is known as mask image. So once you tap on it, you'll see various shapes, arrows and callouts. So tap on shapes and then choose any shape that you want to. I want oval, I'll tap on it, and as you can see that the picture I have selected now is in oval shape. Similarly, if you want to change it, you can just go to the drop down again and then choose a different shape. And that's it. As you can see, it's simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.